Hi, I'm Abinand. This is my interactive pet planner. I'm a incoming sophomore at Leland High School, and this is my Milestone 2, which basically I handled all the software for the interactive pet planner. So the soil sensor measures both temperature and moisture, and I can display this with my hand moisture. It'll show a rising water on the display and then go back down. So basically, there's also an Adafruit IO dashboard which displays your past temperature and moisture uh, for every minute. So the reason I chose every minute is because Adafruit IO would time you out for all the data that you're sending to its website, and I found that every minute is the ideal amount of time. This display itself updates every second. Um, and also, additionally, I created a plant advisor AI. So this basically it guides beginner plant carers on how to care for your plant. So you can ask it stuff like, um, what is a plant that's low maintenance but also can thrive in small plants? And here it recommended the snake plant, ZZ plant, or pothos plant. And these are all good options because I've verified this before. And so the reason I chose Olama here, so there's basically three options. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Hugging Face, or you can use Olama. I used Olama because it's free and you don't need Wi-Fi for it. But if you have a premium API for either Hugging Face or ChatGPT, you can use those because those are more descriptive and detailed. But for general use that anyone can use, I used Olama because you don't have to have an API. It doesn't require an API. It's just an app that you download, and then you pull the model into your terminal. And yeah, that's what I created for all the software in Milestone 2. The challenges were some outdated code from the tutorial I followed for the base code on the pet planner. So basically, there was an attribute error for PyPortal, and this is because of my Circuit PY version. And to test this out, I created like a dummy PyPortal function, and it was the PyPortal module itself, which I needed for the Titan node to work properly. And so I actually had to downgrade my version for it to be compatible. I'm not exactly sure why, but downgrading seemed to fix the issue. That was really the only challenge, except for finding an AI model that didn't require a premium API. For my next milestone, I'm thinking of adding another type of sensor or a light sensor with UV on it, and then attaching it to provide another form of data to the Adafruit IO dashboard and the AI.